Okay, so whatever I copy here, you need to copy at home. Push pause on the video if you need to take a minute to draw something. Cualquier cosa que escribo aquí hay que copiar en casa. Pausa el video para poder copiar lo que había escrito. So today's notes are about levels of ecological organization. Oops, let me move this so you guys can see it. Levels of ecological organization. Niveles de organización ecológica. Okay, so when we talk about living things and non-living things, we can think of them in small units and big units. So we are going to start from smallest, okay, el nivel más pequeño, to largest, el nivel más grande, okay? So let's start off with the smallest level, okay? And we can maybe draw like a circle, okay, just like this. Okay, the smallest level is an organism. An organism is one living thing. So a duck is an organism. Bacteria is an organism. A tree is an organism. An organism is one living thing. Un organismo es un ser vivo. So let's draw a picture of an organism. Let's draw a deciduous tree. Okay? This is a deciduous tree. This is one organism. If you want, you can draw a different organism, like a bird or a fox or a piece of grass or a polar bear. I don't care. Just draw one living thing. Okay, let's go to the next big level. So smallest is organism. The next level is called population. Population. A population is a group of the same living thing in an area. Okay, so make sure you copy the word population and you copy the definition. Copien ambos, la palabra y el significado. Okay. Una población es un grupo del mismo ser vivo en un área. So, let's draw a population of deciduous trees. So, let's draw a population of deciduous trees, or a group of trees. This can be anything. This can be a group of wolves in an area, is a population of wolves. Okay? Un grupo de lobos en un área es una población de lobos. A group of mice in an area is a population of mice. Un grupo de ratones en un área es una población de ratones. Pero tiene que ser el mismo tipo de ser vivo en un área. So smallest is organism, and then we have population. Okay. The next biggest level is community. Community. Community is the different populations in an area. Okay. Una comunidad es las diferentes poblaciones en un área. Okay. And the thing about community is it's only referring to living things or biotic factors. Okay. A community is the different populations living in an area. Las diferentes poblaciones viviendo en un área. Y una comunidad se refiere a solo los seres vivos o los factores bióticos. So, let's draw a community in a forest, okay? A forest community, okay? Una comunidad en un bosque, okay? So, I have a population of trees. Una población de zorros. Oh, perdón, de árboles, no zorros. So, this is a population of trees. And then let's say I have a population of birds. Okay, so now I have birds. They live in the trees. So I have birds here. I have deciduous trees here. So a population of trees and a population of birds. What else can live in a forest? Let me draw badly a mouse. I can't draw a mouse. Don't judge my mouse. Okay, so let's draw a population of mice. Okay, dibujemos una población de ratones. No juzgues mis ratones, por favor. No soy artista. Again, you can draw whatever you want. Okay, tú puedes dibujar lo que te dé la gana. Alright, so this is mice. A population of mice, a population of birds, and a population of deciduous trees. Okay? And let's try to think of one more thing that lives in the forest. Maybe we can do conifer trees. Conifers live in the forest, right? Los coníferos viven en el bosque también. Okay, so let's draw some conifers. Or pine trees, we call these. These are like the Christmas trees. Okay, so these are conifers. Okay, a community is the different populations living in an area, and they're only living things. So the trees, the birds, the mice, and the conifers in a area make up a community. Alright, let's go to the next biggest level. We talked about this word today, ecosystem. An ecosystem is all the living, biotic, and non-living, abiotic things in an area. Okay? So copy this down. Un ecosistema es todos los seres vivos y no vivos en un área. So, the difference between an ecosystem and a community is only living things. Ecosystem is living and non-living things. Okay? So, I have a deciduous tree, right? I can't spell this. Deciduous tree. Okay? I have some birds. Okay? And what else can I have? I can also have rocks. Piedras, no? Don't judge my rocks. These are ugly rocks, I know. These are rocks, piedras, okay? I also have soil, tierra, soil, okay? I also have sunlight, okay? Sunlight is an abiotic factor. I have clouds or air. I have precipitation or rain, precipitation. Okay, so, and let's draw a mouse too, un ratón también. A mouse. Okay, and we can also do a conifer tree, right? A conifer. So, an ecosystem, so this right here is a forest ecosystem, okay? Es un ecosistema del bosque. It has living things like deciduous tree, birds, mouse, conifer. Tiene seres vivos como árbol de hoja caduca, pájaros, ratones y coníferos. And it has non-living things like soil, like sunlight, like clouds, like air, like precipitation. Okay? Alright. The next level, the big level, is biome. You should already know what a biome is. A large area with similar climate, plants, and animals. Okay? And the thing about biomes are big. Okay? Biomes are big. Okay? Un bioma es grande. Es una área grande con clima, plantas y animales parecidos. So, an example of a biome is, of course, the temperate forest biome. You know other biomes too. Tundra, taiga, desert, marine, grasslands. Those are all tropical rainforests. Those are all biomes. So an example of a biome, if you want, make sure it's a large area. Okay. This is Virginia. Virginia is a large area and it has the temperate forest biome inside. Okay? Remember, biomes are big. So the smallest is organism, one living thing, population, a group of the same living thing in an area, community, the different populations living in an area. Community is only living things or biotic factors. Ecosystem is living and non-living things. Ecosystem is biotic and abiotic factors. And biomes are big, like a temperate forest biome in Virginia. So, sometimes we stop at biome, okay? But the biggest level is called the biosphere. okay? The biosphere is another name for Earth, la Tierra, okay? Remember, sphere means a circle, un círculo de tres dimensiones, a three-dimensional circle. Bio means living, okay? So the biosphere is another name we call the Earth, la Tierra, okay? This is the biosphere. Okay, so make sure you know the levels from smallest to largest, okay? From smallest to largest. Organism, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere.